Hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial series on Checkout Upsell plugin. In this video, we're going to learn how to personalize upsell campaigns based on certain conditions. It is important to note that when these set conditions are satisfied, the upsell offer will be displayed to the customers. So the keyword here is the conditions. Only if they match, then they'll be able to see the upsell offers. If you're watching this video for the first time, then we also have a series of videos that you can watch in order to know how to create campaigns and start upselling. A detailed installation guide and link to purchasing this particular plugin is also available in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Come explore with me the different conditions you could add to your upsell campaigns and let's know how they function. Once you successfully install the Checkout Upsell plugin, you'll be able to go to your WordPress dashboard and find it here. Click on Checkout Upsell and go to Campaigns in order to create a new campaign. For this video, we're going to be selecting a pre-purchase campaign. However, you could add conditions to any other campaigns of your choice. All right, let's click on create new campaign and select the campaign type to be pre-purchase. And here we're going to configure the campaign by giving it a name. Let me name this campaign a pre-purchase upsell campaign with conditions. All right, after we enter a suitable title, we can go ahead and set the offer product and then add the condition. But let's first begin with the condition so we will better understand what we're talking about. The first condition that we're going to deal with in this video is the products in the cart. When we select this condition, it means that customers should have the specified products in the condition in their cart in order for them to qualify to see the pre-purchase upsell offer. Back to the campaign configuration. Now all that we have to do is first set the condition. I'm going to set the condition first and then select the offer product, but you can also do it vice versa. You can first create the offer and then choose the condition. Let's go to the condition section in order to add any condition to this campaign. By clicking on this drop down, you'll be able to see the list of conditions you can add to these campaigns. You can add either one or many conditions to the same campaign. Let me begin with the products in the cart. As said, click on add condition and here we get to decide if we want to include or exclude products. I'm going to go with including products, meaning whatever products I enlist here must be present in the cart of the customers in order for them to qualify for the pre-purchase order bump. All right. So let me select the products here. Enlist meaning to include products. So I'm going to go with hoodie with logo and hoodie with zipper. I want these two products to be present in the customer's cart. After we add the condition, let's now decide the offer product. Click on add offer and choose the offer product here. Well, the offer product that I'm going to select is a long sleeve tee. So let's go with the long sleeve tee here. And next comes the quantity. You can also view the offer preview here as you configure the campaign. The quantity field is by default empty, meaning customers can buy offer product for the offer price at any quantities they want. But if you set a value here, it means only that particular quantities customer can buy. All right. Next comes the discount type and the discount value. I'm going to set the discount type to be fixed discount of $10, meaning a $10 fixed discount will be applied to this offer product and customers will be able to get this offer product for $15. Now let's click on add offer. That's all, we're all set. Now let's save and close this campaign and see what it looks like on the storefront. Here we are on the storefront. Now what we'll have to do is qualify in order to see this pre-purchase order bump. To do this, we will have to have hoodie with logo added to the cart and hoodie with zipper added to the cart. These are the products that we have specified in the conditions. All right. After we have added these products to the cart, let's go to the checkout page. Now, only because I have these two products that are specified in the conditions present in the cart, I'm able to see this order bump. All right. Now, with just one click, I'll be able to add this particular offer product to the original order. Likewise, you could also add categories in the conditions. What happens is when these specified categories are in the cart, then customers will be qualified for the pre-purchase order bump. Let me quickly show you. Go to the conditions, click on choose a condition and select categories of items in the cart. Click on add condition and here you'll be able to either exclude or include categories of items in the cart. Here you can select your own category like clothing, etc. Which means whatever categories you enlist here, that categories must be in the cart in order for customers to qualify for the offer product. All right. The next condition we're going to deal with is the cart item count. Let me take you back to the configuration page. Let's use the same offer product and then go to conditions, click on choose a condition. This time select cart items count. Click on add condition and here we get to choose if we want to have greater than or equal to, greater than or less than or equal to of your choice. And here we get to choose the value. I'm going to set 2 here. All right. Which means customers need to have 2 different products in their cart in order to qualify for the order bump. All right. Let us now test this scenario, before which we will have to save and close this campaign. Now to test this scenario, let me take you to the storefront. Here we go. I have in my cart 2 different products, hoodie with logo and beanie with logo. Let's go to the checkout and here we will notice that only because I have 2 different products, this order bump is shown. All right. In case I have 2 quantities of the same product, then I may not see this order bump. That is the difference between cart item count and cart item quantities, which we're going to see next. All right. Next comes the cart item quantities. I am back to the same campaign and the offer product is still long sleeve tee. Let's go to condition section and now click on cart items quantity. The only difference is the cart items count was where we add different products, but here it could be either different products or same products. All right. For example, let's click on add condition and set the value to be greater than or equal to 2. All right. Now let's save and close this particular campaign and see what it looks like on the storefront. Here we go. We are on the storefront again and now I have 2 different products on my cart. Let me take you to the checkout page. Now you'll be able to see the order bump. All right. So this cart item quantities applies for different products as well as same products as well. For example, if I remove this beanie with logo and purchase only 2 quantities of hoodie with logo, update the cart. The next condition is the applied coupons in the cart. All right. So this condition enables you to either choose to include or exclude coupons. It could be either WooCommerce coupons or any other coupons. And if those particular coupons are there in the cart, you can either choose to display the upsell offer or exclude the coupon so that the coupon should not be there in the cart in order for customers to qualify for the order bump. All right. For a better understanding of this scenario, I'm going to restrict the order bump to show for customers if they already have a WooCommerce coupon applied to their cart. All right. Let's do this. We're back to the campaign configuration. To the condition, I'm going to click on the drop down and select apply coupons in the cart. Click on add condition and now choose the coupon that I want to exclude. Okay. You could also choose to include it, but for this scenario, I'm going to select not in list, which means I'm trying to not give the order bump to customers if they have this specified coupon in their cart already applied. All right. So the WooCommerce coupon that I would like to exclude is 30 off. Nice. So this is the WooCommerce coupon that I'm trying to restrict. So if this particular coupon is already added in the customer's cart, then they won't qualify for this order bump. We're on the cart page now with 2 hoodies with logo, and then I'm going to enter the coupon code now, which we have restricted. I'm going to enter the coupon code now, which we have excluded for the order bump. So after entering the coupon's name, click on apply coupon and the coupon is applied successfully. Let's proceed to the checkout with the coupon. Now you'll be able to notice that I do not see the order bump anymore because we have excluded this coupon code, right? Now if we remove this coupon code, refresh this page, we'll be able to see the order bump again. Great. That's how this particular condition works. The next conditions are cart subtotal and user role conditions. All right. I'm going to be now adding 2 different conditions to the same campaign and I'm going to show you how this works. Ready? Let us go back to the campaigns tab and here we have the same campaign with the same offer product. Now what we're going to do is click on choose a condition from the drop down. Choose 2 conditions. The first one is a cart subtotal condition, which means customers need to have a purchase worth the total that we mentioned here. All right. For example, if we click on add condition and I'm going to set cart subtotal greater than or equal to 200. All right. Means customers need to purchase at least for 200 or above in order to qualify for the order bump. Next, I'm going to add another condition to the same campaign. To do this, let's again from the drop down select the next condition, which is the user role condition. This user role condition states that only if the specified user role is matched, this particular order bump can be visible. Alright, so click on add condition and select the user role that you would like to include or exclude. I'm going to include a specific user role named wholesale customer. Great. When we have multiple conditions added to the same campaign, we have the opportunity to choose if we want to have all the conditions matched in order for customers to qualify for the order bump, or any of the conditions specified in the conditions section. If I select all here, it means both the conditions mentioned here must satisfy in order for customers to view the order bump. But if I go for any, then it means either one of the conditions should be satisfied in order for customers to view the order bump. That is what this match function works. All right. Now I'm going to set it to all and save and close this particular setup and show you how this looks like on the storefront. To test as a wholesale user login, I'm going to use an incognito window. Copy this URL, open it in an incognito window, and log in as a wholesale customer. Right? Let's go to the My Accounts page. And here I'm going to enter my email address, which is something like this. And here comes the password. Well, I have successfully logged in as a wholesale customer, which is the user role mentioned in the conditions of the campaign. Let's go to the shop page, add some products. We have first satisfied one condition. The next condition we need to satisfy is cart subtotal. We need to have at least 200 worth products in our cart. All right, so let's do that. I'm going to add this polo to cart and the sunglasses to the cart. Right? Now I think we have products worth 200 and above. Now let's go to the checkout page. And because we have matched both the conditions, one is the user role conditions because I have logged in as a wholesale customer, and the second is cart subtotal condition, which must be equal to or greater than 200. That is why we're able to see this order bump. That is how it works. Well, the last but not the least condition is the condition called days. This specifically applies to certain deals that you would like to show only on specific days. For example, we have this deal for every Wednesdays or every Fridays. So you can go for such deals using this particular days condition. Let's go back to the campaigns tab, to the same campaign, click on choose a condition and select days. Let's consider we're going to offer an order bump on every Friday. So for that, I'll have to click on add condition and choose to exclude or include days. I'm going to be including Friday. All right, meaning the offer applies on Fridays only. So let's select Friday here and then save this campaign. Since today is Friday, I'm going to be showing you if we qualify for the order bump. Here we go. We're on the storefront. I have two products added to my cart, taking you to the checkout. And here you can notice the order bump because today is Friday. This is how you can go about creating different conditions for your campaigns. And thank you so much for watching.